All right, guys, so things are moving along really well with stimulus check. Been working on some body work. We got the entire cage painted. Okay, we got everything welded up, everything's painted. We have all the seat brackets all done. The tabs for the seat belts are done. I got a tab here for the rear seat belt. Yeah, everything is painted and looks really good. I'm really happy the way everything's turning out. But in this video, we're gonna focus on something different. I wanted to kind of go over a product with you guys. A friend of mine, Michael Johnson, let me close this door, who he's like the kind of like marketing director over at this company called FFP Customs, okay? This is the company here. He hit me up, it was about, not this last video, but maybe the video before, about the seat back bracket that I made, okay? This here, which is what secures the back of your aluminum seat, okay? And when he saw that, he messaged me and he said that the company that he does the marketing for actually sells a billet bracket that bolts to the back of the your seatbelt bar, and it's adjustable as far as you know, where you can mount the seat, so you can move it in and out. You know, that's one of the downfalls of the way I did it, okay, is that it's made for me. You know, if no one else can really get in the car unless you're, you know, 5'10", 150. So it's pretty much custom for me. So that would have been a great solution. Let me put a picture up right here of that bracket. It looks really nice. It's all billet aluminum. It's got a lot of adjustability and it's got a nice aluminum clamp. And yeah, it looks really nice. I wish I would have known about that. I actually didn't. This is actually the first time I've heard about this company. So, and I've been looking through their website and looking at all their products, and yeah, all their stuff looks really cool. I talked to Michael and he told me that everything is machined in-house. And so to me, that's really important. Like stuff that's made here, machined here, the quality is just better than buying something off eBay or China or whatever like that. So anyway, so what he sent me was something that I had planned on doing anyway. And I was trying to think of what, you know, a way I could do it with, you know, lighting inside the car, because many of you know that whenever I go to the track and it's at night, I'm always telling you guys, I hope you can see me on camera. Hopefully you can see me. So it's definitely an issue, you know, because a lot of the test and tunes are at night and the tracks are like pitch black. So you can't see anything, and especially trying to video, nobody can see anything. So yeah, so what he sent me was, they make this product in-house, like I said. It's a actual roll bar mounted LED light, okay? So this mounts to your roll bar. They have different sizes. So my cage is 1 5/8", but they sell all different sizes, and you know, for whatever size bars you have. Okay, and I also like that it's wireless. There's no wires, you don't have to wire it. It's LED, it's battery powered, so that, you know, if you're in the staging lanes and you need to see something, you're not running your battery, you know, on your car. A lot of you guys that race or whatever, I know I used to not even run an alternator. So I would have to charge my battery in between rounds. And the last thing you want to do is have something running in the staging lanes, draining your battery. So this is actually a great, that's a great idea. I never actually thought of doing something like that. I was thinking of, you know, let me wire up some LED strips. And I actually have an LED strip in the white car that I use, but like I said, I have to turn on my lights, which then runs the battery in the car. So anyway, I want to go through and kind of install it in a couple different places in the car. And let's see what we'll do is I'll turn the lights off in my shop and we'll kind of see how it lights it up. You know, let's take a look and see how bright it is. I've been looking at their website, and I know these are actually disposable LEDs, I believe. I'm about 90% sure of that. They have batteries in them, but you replace the whole thing whenever it goes out. So I believe you get about 17 hours of runtime on it. which is pretty good. I mean, that's going to last you quite a while. Thinking of, you know, if you only use it for 10 minutes here and there, it's going to last you a long time. And the replacements are not very expensive. You can get a whole, I think, 6-pack or something like that. I'll put another picture of that here for like 15 bucks. So, I mean, just even for the price of the batteries, you couldn't buy that. So, but yeah, so it's got a little switch that just kind of flips over, that lights up, and you can see it's pretty bright. But I do want to kind of, let me flip it off here. I do kind of want to test that, just see, you know, because he sent me 2 of them, and I want to see like in a different areas. And you know, there's a lot of different applications for that. So for me personally, I don't know, you know, different people have run different things in their cars. You know, they'll have switch panels, or they'll have, you know, whatever. For me personally, I run my laptop, you know, right off to the right side of me, you know, in the passenger seat. And I was thinking of, that would be great to have one mounted here pointing like directly at the laptop, that I could flip that on and it will light up the laptop. That would be great, because I have a problem with that, being able to see what's going on, you know, and, you know, I want to make a change really quick. It's kind of a pain to be able to see it. I can't see the numbers. I mean, I have bad eyesight as it is. So, but yeah, and then another thing I was thinking also would be cool is your trunk. So most race cars, people aren't going to wire a light for your trunk. So, you know, you can mount one of those LEDs, you know, here, say, and then, you know, when you're coming back here to mess with your nitrous bottle, or you need to get to your battery or whatever, you just flip that light on, and you can easily get your wrenches on your nitrous bottle or turn it on and off, you know, just so you can see what you're doing. It's a really cool idea. And so yeah, so let's go ahead and mount a couple of them, and let's see what they look like. We'll turn the lights off, and then we'll light them up and see what they look like. Okay guys, so they're really easy to install. It basically just fits around your roll bar, wherever you want to put it. And this side of the bracket has a little recessed area, okay, that the light actually fits into. So it just drops in and kind of locates on the recessed area. And then you're gonna, you know, put it wherever you want. I'm trying to do this with showing you guys, so it's gonna be a little bit tricky. And it has really nice, like I said before, it has really nice stainless hardware with, you know, pretty large Allen heads, so that you're not gonna like strip it out. Yeah, and it's just that simple. I mean, and what's really cool is the way it rotates, you know. So tightening it up actually holds the back of the LED up against the recessed area on the machine part. So yeah, and then this, you know, you just flip that over, it turns the light on, flip it back, it turns it off. So, and you can mount it anywhere. Obviously, you know, you can spin it, you know, just spin it around whichever rotation you want, whichever direction you want. It's really cool product. So let me go ahead and turn the lights off in here, and then I'll mount it in a spot where, you know, we need some light, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna have one mounted here. This is gonna be like my main spot for this, for one of these lights, okay? Because my laptop, like I said, is gonna be right below it. And as you can see, like just in here with the lights off, it's very, like you can hardly see the keys or anything like that. So yeah, and let's switch it on and see what happens here. I mean, look at that. Look at the difference between that and that. And then we'll switch it off here. Yeah, that's a big difference. So, you know, I mean, as far as, that's just one LED, and they're really small. So yeah, they're really good. They're really powerful light. So yeah, and another, like I said earlier, another cool place to have one would be in the back right here, okay? Where, you know, like if you have a nitrous bottle here and you need to get back there and you need to change the line, or you need to take it on or off or whatever, that can be a problem not having any light. You know, you'll be messing around with your phone trying to light it up. Whereas this, you just, you know, reach in, flip it over, lights up almost the entire trunk. I mean, this whole area is just lit up. So, and I just love how you can spin these. So, you know, let's say I want to, you know, light something else up instead of that area there. You just spin it, okay? Flip it on, and there you have it. You know, it's really cool. Really, definitely unique product. I like it. And I'll show you another spot, one more spot, and then yeah, we'll just kind of go over, you know, some of the other products they sell and give you guys the link in the description to, you know, you guys can go check it out. And they have a lot of other stuff, cool stuff too, like pedal assemblies and all that. But yeah, we'll go over that in a second. So another cool place would be to mount it like up over your head, okay, in an area like this, to where you can just reach back behind you, flip that, okay, and then it would light up whatever's in front of you, you know, the dash. It even catches the laptop. So yeah, I mean, the pretty much the possibilities are endless with that little product. So yeah, I really appreciate Michael sending me a couple of those to try out and show you guys. Yeah, so a couple other things that they sell. I'll put up like a couple graphics on the screen, maybe over to the left or right here, I don't know where. But they sell a really cool pedal assembly that mounts to your factory pedal bracket in the car. So, and the unique thing about it is, I was reading up on it, and the unique thing, you know, it bolts to the factory, you know, stock style factory pedal box, and it's adjustable. So just like the back of the seat, you know, bracket that they have that's adjustable, you can adjust the whole pedal assembly up and down. Also have like steering wheel extensions, okay? So they kind of have a good solution for basically moving the seat back. So there, you know, you can adjust your pedals, you can adjust the steering wheel, you can adjust the back of your seat. So it's all like works together, if you know what I mean, like it moves the driver back a little bit. One other thing I forgot to mention about the lights before I go into the other stuff, you can also mount them, okay? If you take the roll bar mount off, you can actually mount them flush. So you can, you know, just bolt it or screw it right to whatever, you know, a flat surface, okay? If you wanted to also. So yeah, but a couple other things they make are a billet seat, billet aluminum seat bracket that bolts to your factory location, and then you can mount different size seats and you can move it around. Again, you know, the way I did it, there's really no adjustability at all. So that's actually definitely a good, a better way to do it. They also make a upper torque box. I'll put a picture of that right here. That's adjustable. And I know that on their website, they show that Walter Drakeford uses that in his Ultra Street car. And yeah, that car is fast. It's been in the 450s. So, but yeah, I'm sure they do a lot of other things. I know, you know, Michael told me that they're bringing new products on all the time. So, but yeah. So anyway, guys, yeah, that's gonna probably do it for this video. Thanks to Ryan and Michael over there at FFP for sending me those lights to do a little install / review, and just check them out. And yeah, I really like them. I totally recommend it. And hopefully you guys will go to the website, check the link below, and pick you up some of those lights. And yeah, you won't be disappointed. So anyway, that's gonna do it, guys. We'll get back on this soon, and I'll bring you some more videos on different things on this. And yeah, that's it. So see you guys later.